In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add all S&P 500 companies to a watchlist in Tradingview. We'll cover two straightforward methods. First, the stock screener approach, which I recommend for most users. And then the import method if you already have a list of symbols ready. Both are quick and reliable, and by the end, you'll have the entire S&P 500 at your fingertips in a single watchlist. Let's start with the stock screener. Open the stock screener in Tradingview. You'll find it in the lower toolbar if it's collapsed. Expand the panel so you can see the full table of symbols. Next, set the filters so you are only looking at companies in the S&P 500. Look for a filter related to index membership or simply search for S&P 500 in the filter options. Once that filter is active, the table will show only S&P 500 constituents. Now select all the filtered symbols. The easiest way is to click the first symbol in the list. Scroll to the end so all rows are loaded, then hold Shift and click the last symbol. That selects everything in one go. If your screener shows multiple pages, make sure you've loaded all rows before selecting, so you don't miss any. With all symbols highlighted, right-click and choose Add Selected to Watch List. Tradingview will add those tickers to your current watch list. Give it a moment if the list is large, then open your watchlist panel to confirm they're there. That's it, fast and clean, with filters ensuring accuracy. If you prefer to use a list you already have, here is the importing or copy-pasting method. First, get a list of S&P 500 symbols in CSV or plain text format. Many sources provide up-to-date tickers, just make sure they're formatted as standard symbols. Typically one per line or comma separated. Then open the Watchlist panel in Tradingview. Click the drop-down next to your list name to reveal options. Choose Import List. From here, you can upload a CSV file, or if your version supports it, paste the symbols directly into the import field. Keep the formatting simple, ticker only works best, and let Tradingview parse the list. After you confirm, the platform will add all valid symbols to your chosen watchlist. Both methods get you to the same result. Use the screener when you want the platform to define the membership for you, and import when you already have a clean symbol list. Once added, you can sort, group, and monitor the entire S&P 500 in one place.